Welcome back to my channel, guys. So today I'll be taking you through my kitchen transformation. Is it kitchen transformation or cabinet transformation? Okay, in my last video I showed you guys some baskets that I got from the market and the spice rubber. So I'll be taking you guys along how I'm going to arrange this place. It's not that it's not arranged though, but I just want everything to be in the same place or inside the same basket, because I see some people decorating their kitchen and arranging their cabinets and I'm inspired. So keep watching and don't forget to subscribe. So first of all, this is how my kitchen cabinet looks like. All our spices area. And then up here, bobo tibo, honey, oil, and the rest of them, okay? And I also have right here, I have the tin tomato, salt, where we keep our salt. And then up there, we have other things that they tied in nylon. There is no Nigerian home that you will come, you will not see so many things that are tied inside a nylon, okay? And right here I have the place where we keep Milo, cereal, the kids meal is tea section area, green tea, and so many things that you can see up there. So many packages that you can see up there, okay? And then right here is our cup section, okay? The kids cup, our tea cup, other water bottle that we are using. And then up here you have another cup, and this rubber right here contains all the cup or all the water bottle that I have used for my kids so far. So this day, I'm not sure I'll be touching this place. This place is still going to be how it is, but I'm just going to arrange it and show you how it's going to look afterwards, okay? So right here, still the same nylon. Still the same nylon, okay? Because this is. In the meantime, I washed all these rubbers that I got from the market. So these are different containers that I got from the market that I'll be using to put the Milo, the cereal, the milk, the cornflakes, the sugar, and the rest of them. Then this is the one that I got that I'll be using to put the spices. I'll be pouring the spices inside here, and we will know or name them accordingly, so that whenever you pick it up, you will know the particular spice that you're picking up. And we are going to put it inside this particular basket. Okay, we're going to be putting it inside this particular basket, and it's going to go up there. It's going to go up here. You can see one can enter here and another one can enter here. So that is what I'll be doing today, and I'll be taking you guys along. Yeah. So guys, these are all the spices, okay? We have curry, rosemary powder, thyme, this spice, okay? And we have salt, we have grinded pepper. So these are the ones that I was able to pour into this rubber. Now I have other spices here, barbecue spice, I have sesame seed, I have ground cinnamon, I have this one. These ones are still going to retain in the container because it can enter the basket that I want to add into it. So let's do this. So guys, so far so good. This is what I have covered them, and I'll be putting them right here, okay? So this can close comfortably, but this other basket that I got, this particular one, I'm just using this to show you guys an example, okay? You can see this cabinet is not going to close, so I will get more of this basket to be able to put more items. So this basket can accommodate this particular thing, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 12. This basket can accommodate 6 containers, okay? And I'll be keeping this right here. Now the other items that are remaining are the ones from up here. I have put it down, I have cleaned this particular place, and these are the items that I have up there. Garlic powder, ginger powder, our apple cider vinegar, honey, soy sauce, and the rest of them. So I've already put some items here, and oh my god, hold on, I'll have to use my right hand. So this will be going up here. Now some of these items that are like Maggi, that we need like a large quantity, I'll be keeping it in the middle of this place, okay? Because any container that I'm putting this Maggi, if I happen to put this Maggi inside there, it's going to accommodate a lot of space. And then Our gilobe is always on this rubber. I'll be keeping it here. So even if I'm getting a basket, another basket that I'm keeping here, you can see there are still space in the middle for me to keep other items that I need to keep here. Okay, and you can close your cabinet comfortably. So this is what I have for this one. I'm going to sort out this one. Some of this rubber will be going out. We'll wash them and keep them. Then these other spices will be going to our pantry. Okay, I'm still going to show you guys my pantry. Okay, this will be going there. So whenever we exhaust this particular one, we are going to pour out from here and put here. So that is it. We'll be going over to this place for me to put the cereal inside, the sugar, the Milo, the milk, and the rest of them, and I'll be taking you guys along. So I'm using one of those baskets to pack in all the things that was up here. I've already cleaned it. Yeah, I've already cleaned this and I've packed everything in this basket. So this basket is the only thing that will be up here. So at least I achieved that one. So anything that we have, there were packs of Maggi and salt that were beside here. So everything that are in bulk that we're not using immediately will be going into this basket, and it will be the only thing that is here. Then the tin tomato and the rest of them will still be by this side. So that is what I have achieved for here, and I've already put in this crayfish. I'm going to get a rubber to put it inside so that there will be enough space here. Then I'm getting one more basket that I'll be putting beside here, and one more basket that I'll be putting beside here. So that is what I have achieved for this side. Now we are moving over to the cereal side. Yeah. So we always use the 3 crowns. Okay, these are best milk. We always use 3 crowns, and it's the refill. We'll buy in a carton and then we pour inside something like a container. Like I brought it out from this cereal container. Now I want you to fear African home. Any home that you enter and you see a nylon that is tied or a container, make sure you check that container to know what the contents is inside. This one contained milk. Now this one, you are seeing pick 1, 2, 3. Okay, we'll now buy the refill for the kids and we'll pour it inside here. Then this one, I don't even know what is inside this one. Okay, this one is soya beans. This one is soya beans powder for Lotana's pap. Hey, okay, well, let's continue. So guys, here are the things I was able to achieve. Here is our cereal, here is our cornflakes, here is our Milo, here is our milk, here is our sugar, and here is our soya beans powder. Now it's remaining this my kids milk. They actually take pick 1, 2, 3. Same with Lotana. I think this Lotana's milk basically. The children take this 3 crowns milk. So Lotana is still taking this pick 1, 2, 3. Now I don't want to pour it in a transparent nylon because they are almost the same thing, and we will not know which one that is the children's milk and the one that is Lotana's milk. Okay, so I think this will still be in its container with the cereal. That is the cereal that you're seeing over there. Don't worry, I haven't cleaned this place. Okay, this is how it's going to be looking. So I'll be cleaning this place and I'll be putting all these things inside and I'll show you. So guys, God, I didn't do a video of how this place was looking before I started arranging it. So this particular place, we were keeping this towel that we usually use to clean our hands, then iron sponge. Then these are the plates that we usually don't use randomly. Maybe if we're having an occasion, maybe house warming or some house warming, maybe a get-together, a small get-together, we usually bring out these plates and use them. Now under here we have our detergents, liquid soap, hypo. This is how this place is looking. And then this particular area, oh my God, my phone went down, so I just charged it. This particular place, we have just random stuff that we are not using. This is the flags that I use maybe when I put to bed. We're still going to clean that place. And then these are also random plates that we are no longer using. Not these are random plates that we don't use all the time. And that one over there. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to arrange this place. I'm going to So these places are just random stuff, but I'm going to arrange them and show you afterwards. These are the new flags that I got for the kids. I'm still keeping the carton so that if the flags is not hot, I'll put it back inside and package it back to them. Now these are the rubbers that we use in putting our soup, and that is it. This is a measuring spoon. That is what we have here. Under here, I'm still going to arrange them and I will show you. Now, this cabinet is where we put nylons. Inside this bag there is a nylon, and inside that nylon there is another nylon. Inside that nylon there is another nylon. Now up here we have our tray, the tray that we use in serving people, and that is what we have up here. We're still going to bring them out and clean it. So here is empty. Now I'm trying to set these teas, okay, by the side, and then the baskets will be here. Let me show you. So guys, let me give you a final tour on what I achieved today. I'm very proud of myself. Hold up. So this is our final look. Up here is all set. Here is all set. So right here you can see how I arranged this place. Okay, this is our soya beans powder. This is the butter, and this is the baby's milk, and that is the cereal. That's free soul. Okay, now up here I put some things inside this basket and I dropped it this way. Now our green tea, other teas are by this side. Okay, now here is all sorted out. So this carton contains maybe sweets, biscuits the children eat. That is what is inside this carton. And up here is very empty. That is a serviette. And right here I kept these things like this. Okay, the other ones entered the basket. That's our apple cider vinegar. Now this one contains spices. That is the ones that are inside the sachet, Mivina, Benny, and the rest of them. And right here we have those ones. The other ones are inside the basket, and then the Maggi, the crayfish, and the ogilope are actually here. Now this place we have our tin tomato, sesame oil, and then this tin tomato and bobo tibo that is here. And right now I put all those nylon, all those plenty nylon that you were seeing, I put them inside here, and that is how this place is looking. Okay, now down here, the ones that are the bag that has a nylon, nylon inside, we have cleaned it up. And right here, that's our gari, and this is our semo, and this is our tray. And down here we have arranged this place that has the detergents. I'm still going to get a basket. Maybe we'll be using to put all those detergents that you see right there. Hey, I didn't clean this place well. Oh, our shelters, our hypo. Now right here we have our plates. Okay, the random plates that we don't use. Then this iron sponge and the towels that we use in cleaning our hands to be changing. So right here we have the plenty rubber for the stew and other things that are going on here. And right here I arranged this place, plenty water bottle. I love colorful water bottles. Okay, so right here is being arranged and clean. So right here we have the bobo tibo, the flags, and the rest of them. And right here is being arranged too. So what again haven't I shown you guys? I'm not sure I have shown you guys everything. So that is it for our kitchen arrangement or kitchen transformation, whatever you call it. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate. These bags that you're seeing right here will be going into the cupboard, and we'll be keeping it there. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.